Mom. Mom. It hurts. My stomach hurts. Mom, please.
Leo, what is wrong, my baby?
My tummy hurts so much.
Wake up. Leo is in pain.
What happened?
His stomach hurts badly.
We should go to the hospital now.
Mom, I am scared.
Don't be scared, dear. We are with you.
The doctor will help you.
Will I be okay?
Yes, you are strong.
Close your eyes. Breathe slowly. What is the problem? My son has stomach pain. Please come this way.
I don't like hospitals.
I know, but this place helps people.
Hello, Leo.
Hello.
Where does it hurt?
Here.
Did you eat something different today?
I ate street food.
Oh no. Don't worry, it is food poisoning.
Is it serious?
No, he will be fine.
Really?
Yes, with medicine and rest.
I was so scared.
Me too, but we came on time.
Mom,
Yes, dear.
you didn't leave me.
Never. We are always here.
Always. Take care. Give him light food.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you very much.
I feel better now.
I am happy to hear that.
Let's go home.
Mom, Dad,
Yes?
thank you for saving me.
We didn't save you.
Love saved you.
I love you. We love you too.
We love you too.
Me too.
Family is the strongest medicine. In hard times, love gives courage. No matter the time, parents never stop caring.